Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rust when game banned. First, understand that game bans are permanent and cannot be reversed. To play again, you must create a brand new Steam account. This new account will require a fresh purchase of the Rust game. It's crucial to ensure no links remain to your previously banned account to avoid further issues. This is the only reliable method to return to the game. Setting up your new account correctly is vital. Start by using a completely different email address for your new Steam profile. If your previous ban was hardware-related, you might need to change your IP address, perhaps by resetting your router or using a VPN. Before installing Rust on your new account, thoroughly clean your system of any old game files or registry entries associated with the banned account. This helps prevent detection. To avoid another ban, strict adherence to game rules is essential. Never use any form of third-party software, cheats, or exploits. These are easily detected and will result in another permanent ban. Always respect other players and follow the specific rules of any server you join. Maintaining fair play ensures a positive experience for everyone and keeps your new account safe from future penalties. Once your new account is set up and you're back in Rust, focus on enjoying the game responsibly. Join new communities, make new friends, and immerse yourself in the unique survival experience. Remember, the goal is to have fun while respecting the game's integrity and other players. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.